Got to make the most of you having worked several too many night shifts.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think I'm feeling some night shifts.
Yeah, it's been great. I just feel crooked. And whole sorts of twisted.
I could kind of see that,
Yeah,
yeah.
like I feel like my pelvis is kind of going like this.
It honestly kind of looks like it's doing that already.
Great.
So. And then you can see there's the huge difference
Yeah.
in bending. Can you go right leg up as high as it'll go? And then left leg up as high as it'll go. Huge difference there, literally about a foot.
Yeah.
And then just do a hamstring curl up for me. And there's no real hamstring to speak of. Try that again. So better and better. I'm going to let you relax there, and I'm going to get you turned facing out the window for me. I'll start on trying to unwind the pelvis here.
Thank you.
There it is. And then take your time. I'm going to get you turned the other way. So we'll set you up a little different here. I'm going to bend that up. Perfect. Otherwise, you're pretty good. Beautiful. Good there?
Yeah.
All right, breath in. That was really, really big too.
Oh,
And then I'm going to get you back face down for
I've
me.
been waiting for that. It already makes me feel like a different person.
Well, I feel like, you know, working chronically understaffed and having to do way too much in multiple overnights.
It's a cardio workout. You were running the whole time. And moving bodies and flinging people around. Saying, roll.
I believe that. So that's way, way happier in terms
Yeah.
of bending. Can I get you to go right leg up as high as it'll go? And then left. About half of a better. So there's going to be a little bit more work to do in through here.
Okay.
Nice deep breath in. Nice. And then once more up here. Good. And then if you go right leg up as high as it'll go again. Good. And left leg up as high as it'll go again. There it is. Right on the verge of being even up. In through here is unhappy with you too. You may know that already, but yeah, something gave me that idea.
When I go to my massage therapist, I tell her to beat me up. And that's what she did.
And I believe it.
Yeah.
I'm going to drop your head a bit here, Ashley. Good. And then same thing. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Alrighty. I'm going to do a couple more checks with you here.
Cool.
So bend your knees up. That's really getting loose. Curl up from here. Good. And then I'll switch you and curl. Good. Can you go whole leg up into my hand? I'm going to give you some pressure down. Glutes firing. Good. And then same thing. Good. And then I'm going to bring both legs over to your left. Try and hold them there. I'm going to try and pull you back. I said left. You're right, obviously. You knew what I meant, though.
Oh, I wasn't even thinking.
And then same thing. Real left this time. Perfect. QLs are good. I'm going to get you to do the bottom half of Superman, so both legs up at once. And hold, and that's good. You get to relax there. All right, so structurally, functionally, everything in through there is pretty happy. I am going to get you on your back when you're ready for me.
Cool.
Definitely a couple spots in here.
Mm-hmm. Spend about 20 minutes on my neck.
Well, that did feel like it let go, actually.
Yeah?
Just way more quietly than you would ever want it to on camera. Yeah. Sometimes massage steals my thunder.
They loosen everything?
Exactly. Because the noise is basically just a pressure buildup going away.
Oh.
And so if they get the pressure buildup out of the way, even if it's not a loud crack, the pressure reduction can actually...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, don't
I
apologize.
thought it would make it better.
In a lot of ways, I think like low back was very, very happy to let go. Upper back, very, very happy to let go. Neck, I mean, just a little quieter.
Huh.
It happens.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. I'll never really complain about you feeling better.
I appreciate that.
This ankle, I think, has been out again.
Oh, I was hearing it earlier.
Yeah. No, it was my left one going.
Oh, okay.
But this one I haven't been able to get.
Gotcha. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're tighter in through that right side, so let's get that unlocked
Yeah,
for you here.
my squats are really, they weren't liking me.
I can kind of see that. Good. Good. Everything else is pretty happy to there as a whole. And a little bit out of there. Oh, perfect. Nice and even. And then can I get you to squeeze together here? And push apart. Good. Pull the feet up for me here. I'm going to try and pull them down. Good. And then just the toes.
Oh.
You got it. All right, right foot. I'm going to have you pull up and in. I'm going to try and pull you down and out. Good. Same thing on the other side, up and in. Let that relax for a sec. There we go. And then up and in. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay. Now, was it like a lot in through the ankle that you were feeling in the squat?
Yeah, like I couldn't get, it was all in here, I couldn't feel almost.
Oh,
and then
okay.
when I was going to squat, I was getting a lot of,
Like right in the hip crease.
yeah, and I couldn't actually get my depth down to where I normally go.
Okay. We're gonna check a couple more things and then we'll double check and make sure you feel like you can squat.
Okay.
First up, I'm gonna get you just very gently kick right up into my hand with a straight leg. Good. And then curl the toes and then kick right up with a straight leg.
Oh boy.
Absolutely. You get to relax there. So basically we're just working on the spindle fibers in the foot.
Okay.
Get the muscles in the foot to kick in a little bit more. And then toes curled, kick up. There we go. Much, much happier. Same thing on the other side. Kick. And then toes curled, kick. It's much better than the other side, but still could be happier.
That's so strange. A little pressure on the feet makes a world of difference.
Absolutely. Especially in the squat, the feet are quite literally the base of everything. So.
Yeah, I had to lighten my weight because I didn't feel comfortable going heavier with the way my form was.
Oh, if you don't mind here, I'm going to get you to bend both knees up. And squeeze your knees together. That seems good. And push apart. Almost good. I'm going to just try and push in towards your other foot. Can you hold that out for me? That one's good. And then same thing on the other side. I'm going to push in, hold that out.
No.
That's the one. So can you go hand just in through the hip crease right there, the side of the hip crease, and then kick out or push out for me again? Much, much happier. I'm going to let you relax there. I'm going to grab the percussor. So this one's the tensor fasciae lata, the little muscle that attaches into the IT band,
Okay.
and it's just not firing very well.
Oh, lovely.
So we're going to work along the tendons. Doing okay with the pressure?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I could have put me to sleep.
I believe it. Hold that out for me again. There it is, and then both knees bent up. Push the knees apart. That seems a lot more stable. Perfect.
Awesome.
All right, let's get you sitting up. I'll have you face out that way if you don't mind. And then with you here, I'm going to come around. I'm going to check in through your shoulders too.
Cool.
So I'll bore you here. I'm going to bring you up and back. It's moving fairly well, but not great.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to just pull your elbow up into your shoulder here. We'll reset the shoulder.
Yeah, it felt
Range is
stuck.
better. Range is a lot better. Good. And then same thing here. Same deal.
Yeah.
So, bore you here first. Just going to feel right in. Little jammy in there. Can I get you to go pinky and thumb together and squeeze? Not very well. And then same thing. Better. I'm going to let you relax here. That already cracked. And then squeeze together again. Good. Shake that out. And once more, squeeze together. I like that. And then I'll switch you here. Yeah, same kind of feeling. If you go pinky and thumb and squeeze.
No.
That one's tough. Same thing, squeeze.
Duh.
There it is. Let that relax. Good. And then
No,
shift that.
pull on it.
Oh, it needs a bit
Yeah.
more? Okay.
You almost had it.
That sounded better. And then squeeze together. Good. Shake that out. Squeeze together. Okay, perfect.